Google apps will be available Huawei Honor phones again. The cell phone creator just declared its 50 arrangement setup. Presently it's not, at this point, subject to similar limitations as previous parent organization Huawei Honor can buy incorporate Google applications on its telephones. The organization uncovered it can pre-introduce the applications on its new Honor 50 and Honor 50 Pro, the two of which are going through Google's security audit measure. The organization has the alternative to have Google Mobile Services, GMS, pre-installed on viable gadgets, as per Google's authorizing and administration models, Honor disclosed to The Verge. Buyers will actually want to encounter Honor cell phones and tablets outfitted with GMS. After Huawei was put on the US substance list in 2019, it was not, at this point, ready to incorporate Google applications and administrations on gadgets. That arrangement covered Honor gadgets until Huawei sold the brand last year. Google likewise needed to bolt out Huawei from getting Android refreshes, which implied the telephone creator needed to change to an open-source variant. Huawei has begun carrying out a substitution working framework called Harmony OS. The Honor 50 gadgets are controlled by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset. The Honor 50 and 50 Pro each have a 120Hz screen, however the last's is somewhat bigger, 6.72 creeps rather than 6.57 inches. The telephones both have a group of 4 of back cameras, a 108MP primary camera, a 8MP wide-point camera, a 2MP large-scale camera and a 2MP profundity camera. The Honor 50 has a 32MP forward-looking camera, while the Pro model uses both that and a 12MP ultra-wide one. The Honor 50 has a 4,300 mAh battery with help for 66W quick charging. The 50 Pro's battery has somewhat greater limit at 4,000 mAh and you can charge it much quicker, at up to 100W. As per Honor, the last can charge to 90% of its ability in only 20 minutes. The organization will begin selling the gadgets in China not long from now, alongside a cheaper Honor 50 SE, what begins at 2,399 yuan, about $375. The base Honor 50 costs 2,699 yuan, roughly $420, and the Honor 50 Pro beginnings at 3,699 yuan, about $580. Honor intends to carry the gadgets to different business sectors later, including the UK, Mexico, France, and Russia. It hasn't declared designs to deliver the telephones in the US or Canada.